let me guide you to turn off unrecognized login notifications on your Instagram. So, if you have found that unrecognized logins of your Instagram, so you need to turn off that. Let's see how. Go to your Instagram, click on this profile icon, go to top three lines. You can go to account center. You can go to passwords and security. So, in password and security, in the security checks, you can find where you logged in. So, go to Instagram, and here you can see account login activity. So you can check that your account or Instagram is logging on any other devices or any other places, and it will show you here. And if you need to log out of that, you can tap on that and you can log out of that account from that device. And if you need to get the notifications, so go back in bottom of where you logged in, you can see login alerts. If you tap on that, you can go to Instagram, that in which you need to get the login notifications. And for the app notifications, make sure you always on that login alerts for your Instagram, because if you make sure always owning that, then that will definitely notify you and you can resolve those unrecognized logins within span of time. So this is how you can turn off unrecognized login notifications on Instagram. Thank you.